Hello friend, how are you? Today I am going to show you how to make a JavaScript clock like this. After watching this video, you can be able to make a JavaScript clock like this. So let's begin. Before we start, we need to create a file, a HTML file. So we make name it clock.html. Okay. Now we open this file in an editor. I use Notepad++. You can also use another editor like Sublime Text and others. Now we create we need to declare the doc type of this HTML. Doc type. And write HTML tag and body. Okay, and we should make a div. We should make a div. And also give it a class named my clock, and we should create a canvas for our clock. Canvas, we will give it a ID. Sorry. We also name it canvas. And give it a width and height. .600 with 600 and height. So six hundred and style. Background color. We use a background color to test our code, to check if it worked or not. Green. Save it and check this. Run the code. Okay, our code works. So we need to create a we need three works. We need to create a clock face and clock number and three hand, one for hour, one for seconds, and one for minutes. So now we need to use JavaScript to show our clock. Sorry. So now friend, I made this clock before so that uh, I I will not write the JavaScript code now to save the time. I don't want to waste your time, but I will explain how the code works. Now in this piece of code, I will copy this and paste this. In this piece of code, I declare a variable named canvas, and the variable call this canvas. Sorry, I changed it. Canvas. Okay. In this piece of code, I declare a variable named canvas, and I call the canvas with this ID canvas with the element get element by ID. Okay, and I set this radius and set the interval, and now we need to draw this clock. Okay, so this we use this piece of code, and we need to draw the clock face, so we use this piece of code. Uh, so we save this code and run it. Okay, so in there we can see a clock face, so I will explain how it works. So in this code we use fill style uh, white. In this white you can change the color. For example, I use red instead of white. Okay, look, but red is so ugly, so I change it to white, and we use the fill for the fill. Okay, you see that now. Stroke style yellow. This stroke is the stroke, and we use the color yellow, and the line width means the width of this stroke. You can change it here, and that's it. Now we should use this piece of code to draw the number. Okay, in this piece of code I use the Algerian font. You can use any other font. For example, Arial. So look, change, the font is changed, but I use Algerian. Okay, so we set this baseline, middle, and text align center. I hope you know this text align center. The text uh, will be in center, and okay, uh, friend, I just explain the most basic of this code. I don't explain this one. You just, I hope you know this. uh, if I explain this code one by one, it will take a lot of time, so please pardon me for that. Now we can use this piece of code to draw the time, to get the time. And make a curly braces. Now anything happen? Nothing. So what we can do, we just need this piece of code to draw the hands for seconds, for minutes, and for hours. Okay, now refresh this page, but there is no hands. So how can we create these hands? We create these hands with this piece of code. And paste this code in there, in here. And this piece of code is very important. You can change this uh, length of this hand, length of this hand from this piece, from there, and width of this hand from there. Okay, it is for our uh, for the our hands. Okay, I, and it is for minute hand, and it is for second hand. Okay, okay, so in there we create, we give green color to the our hands by this stroke style, context stroke style. Look, green to the our, and this piece of code explain you can change the height of this you can change the height of the hand with this piece of code, and you can change the width of the hand with this piece of code. We give the blue color to the minute hand and red color to the second hand. Now look, it's look beautiful, but the background is make the clock ugly, so we the code okay, we need to uh, set the position of this clock in the center. uh, okay, that's good. So friend, that's it. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video, and please like my video, and if you have any question or any advice, please comment in the comment box, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.